Workshop Garage Management Software Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use one of the best softwares for auto mechanic shops, as I'll be walking you through how to set up and use Workshop software. Workshop software is a highly rated software that you can actually get started on for completely free. And I would recommend anyone that does auto mechanic and need to customize their thing or set up their business online to give this software a try. To get started, you're going to go onto workshopsoftware.com and you're going to tap on Start Your Free Trial. Then you'll be redirected to a new page once you have signed up. Once you have signed up, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option. From the left-hand menu option, there are quite a few things that we're going to be setting up. For example, you can start adding customers by tapping on customers. But before even doing that, what I want you to do is go over to the bottom left-hand corner and you're going to scroll down and you're going to select employees. Then after selecting employees, you're going to tap on mechanics. Once you have tapped on mechanics, what I want you to do next, you're going to add the mechanics. So to add a mechanic, you can tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. You could put in the mechanic code. Then you can put in the mechanic name, as you can see right here, phone number. And you can put in the amount that you pay them per hour. So for example, let's say $90 per hour. And we can tap on save right there. After you have done that, you can also set up a schedule for them. So you can see the schedule right here that you could set up. So let's say, for example, start time. You can put in the start time right there. Let's say 8 a.m. And end time, we can set up the end time. So let's say, for example, 4 p.m. And it can persist from Monday to Friday. So we can tap right there. Or if you want to carry it to the 7 days of the week, you can do that. You can also set up the unavailable time for your mechanics and you'll tap on save. Now after you have set that up, you can continue adding more mechanics, or you can go over to the left hand menu option and you could add in service advisors and so on. You can add in different options, as you can see right there. Now once you are finished doing that, what I want you to do next is tap on company settings from the left hand menu option. After tapping on company settings, from here you'll be able to put in your business license and you'll basically be able to create a business page, as you can see right here. So you can edit the invoice settings by adding different information, dealer access, and so on. You can set up all of these information right here. And we are going to be adding our first customer. To add our first customer, you'll select customers. After selecting customers, you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner and you can fill in your customer information. So let's say, for example, I'll add in my first customer right here. So let's do that real quick. After adding in the customer information, as you can see right here, you can scroll down. You can put in the hourly rate, all of the basic information, as you can see right there. So you can create your customer, then you'll tap on save. Now, after you have added the customer, as you can see right here, you could add the vehicle for the customer by tapping on add vehicle. And you can put in the vehicle details, the license plate, the make, and all of the information. Then you'll tap on save. So that's how you'll be able to add the vehicle for the customer. Now, if we were to go back, I can show you more. You can also create a booking by tapping on create booking. After you have tapped on create booking, from here you will see the vehicle information. And you can put in the customer order number, and you could also put in the booking date and when it is due by. So let's say it is due by Friday. We could select that right there. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you could add the product, and I'll be showing you how to add products and so on. And you can also add in the labor and the cost that you'll charge for your labor, as you can see right there. And you can also put in the GST or freight. And you can scroll down and you can add any notes you want. Once you're finished doing that, you can tap on start job and then select yes, and you'll be able to start that job. So you can see that the invoice has been created. Now that the invoice has been created, if it is a case that you would like to share that invoice or so on, you can also do that. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more, from here you could select products, and this is where you will be able to add products. So you can see some sample products right here. To add products, you'll tap on the plus in the top right hand corner, and you can fill in the products right here. After you have added your products, you can also do a stock take. So you could tap on stock take from the left hand menu option, and this is how you'll be able to keep track of your stocks. So you can tap on stock take right here, and you'll be able to keep track of your stocks, as you can see right here. So you will be able to keep track so that whenever stocks are getting low, you'll be able to get a notification, or you'll be on top of it. So nothing will ever go to zero, as we don't want that. We want to always have stock on hand. You can also add in the different suppliers by tapping on suppliers from the left hand menu option. Then you could tap on the plus in the top right hand corner, and you can add in your suppliers right there. After doing that, there are numerous options that you can choose from the side, as you can see right here. If you have loan cars, after you have added the vehicles, you can set up different vehicles that you like to use as a loan cars. So for instance, when a customer comes in with a car that is badly damaged, if you have a car that you'll normally give them to use in the meantime, you can add in your loan cars right there. You can also add in different integrations by tapping on integrations. You can add your POS, your point of sale integration, your accounting software by tapping on accounting. You could, for example, add QuickBooks, or you could use Xero. So there are numerous options that you have. And when it comes onto public booking, if we were to tap on public booking right here, after you have tapped on public booking, you can see the URL that we have provided with. So this is our URL that persons will be able to use to book our services. And at the moment, we offer 2 service, repair, and service right there. If you would like to add more services, you could tap on the plus right here, and you can add in the estimated hours, and you can also add in the description, and you can add in the product or service right there. And you can scroll down, you could change the booking details, you can also add branding and so on to customize it to your liking. If I should select this URL and then go to it, you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks. So persons will be able to book an appointment, fill in their information, their vehicle information, and so on, and choose the date that they would like to book the service for. So you can see how it looks right there. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more and scroll down, from here you can also set up different reminders. You can tap on schedule and you'll be able to view your schedule. You can also scroll down and you can see numerous other options that you can quickly set up. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like to create an invoice or anything quickly, what I would recommend you do is tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. From here you can tap on customer booking, and you can select the customer real quick right here, and you could create a booking for that particular customer. Another thing that you can also do by tapping on the plus in the top right hand corner, you could create a customer invoice. So you can tap right there and you could select the customer. So I could type in the customer name. After I've typed in the customer name, from here I can quickly create an invoice, select the vehicle, then I can scroll down, I can put in an invoice number, and you can fill in the information right there. So this will give you quick access to customer booking, customer invoice, customer payment, and you can also set up stock. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.